Do you say love when you mean to say love, or brother when you want to say brother? Let's take a closer look at the schwa sound. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you're making the schwa sound, your mouth will be mostly closed, and the front of your tongue you want to be relatively high. You can push it up towards your top teeth. Again, it should sound like like in the word fun, fun. Make sure when you're pronouncing this, it doesn't turn into an ah sound. So again, it's not brother, it's brother, brother. Keep your mouth a little bit more closed. Brother, brother. Done, done. Love, love. Sun, sun. Luck, luck. Bug, bug. Dust, dust. Cousin, cousin. Uncle, uncle. Just, just. The, was. Be sure to check out our other videos on sounds like the schwa and others in American English pronunciation. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.